Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp images not saving in gallery on your iPhone. First, you will need to go into WhatsApp. Once in the app, you want to tap on Settings in the bottom right-hand corner. After doing that, you're going to go into Storage and Data. And right where you see Media Auto Download, you want to tap on Photos. And you will select Wi-Fi and cellular, and you'll go into audio and you'll select Wi-Fi and cellular, and in video you'll select Wi-Fi and cellular, and you'll do the same thing in documents. After you have done that, you're going to go back and you're going to tap on chats. When you select chats, you want to select save to camera roll, so whenever someone sends you media, it will automatically be saved to your photos, and videos will automatically be saved to your camera roll. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix WhatsApp images not saving in gallery on your iPhone.